Hey, will you do me a favor?
Huh?
Will you tell her about the composing the letter? Wait, oh wait.
Yeah.
Okay,
Wait.
wait, hang on, here we go.
Okay.
Here you go. You filming?
Yeah.
Alright, this is Raymond, everybody. We're in Dallas, Texas.
How you doing? How y'all doing? I just want y'all to know that, since we're here and I got this pen and paper in my hand, I would like all of you out there in web land, homeland, or whatever land. I don't care if you was in this discombobulated land. Take this pen, take this paper, and compose a letter. Here, I want you to compose a letter to Ringling Brothers Barnum and Bailey Circus. Why? I'll tell you why. Because you need to tell them that they lied to you all your life. All your life. What you need to do is tell them, I am the greatest on earth, but this is what I do. Yeah, show what I do. Hold this.
Here we go,
Let me show these people what I do.
Alright.
Let me show these people what I do. No, you.
Here we go.
You tap it out. Y'all see now what she do. Okay, here we go. Is this what it is? Let me see. Hold up. Hold up, y'all. Hold up, y'all. We don't get this together. Don't y'all go nowhere. They want to be the ringleader of the greatest show on earth, but they can't do it. It's all about me. Hit it. Put that music up there so they can hear that. Mustang Sally, I guess you better slow your Mustang down. What I said, y'all. Mustang Sally now, baby. I guess you better slow your Mustang down. Can't get y'all me.
What you mean?
We gotta pay for more.
No, y'all ain't gotta pay for more. Just I gotta save some for the sequel.
Little teaser.
Yeah, I gotta save some for the sequel.
Okay.
So this what y'all do.